stranger, 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 stranger.
I'm already high enough.
Hello there, I'm your host Amoghh and welcome back to the channel AmgK. आज हम जा रहे हैं to Krishnapur, which actually falls in Karnataka if I'm not mistaken. और आज का मेरा biggest task रहेगा is not to reach Krishnapur, but to reach Krishnapur without dropping my bike.
What did he say?
Yes, last time जब मैं वहाँ पे गया था, I had dropped my bike on the way to Krishnapur. Hold up, I'll just show you what happened. I dropped the bike like this, and not just once, but two times on the same day. So the only reason back then which I had for dropping my bike were the bearings in my cone set. They were completely short. Hence, I could not get proper feedback from the ground and maneuver my handle properly. Okay, so back to the present. और वो रहेगा आज के वीडियो का मेन टॉपिक. Do not drop the bike. I'll say it again. Do not drop the bike.
Okay.
अभी currently we are somewhere between Borim and Ponda. आज बाइक्स हमारे साथ बहुत है. Namely the TVS RTR 180, Splendor, VF2 Classic 350 and a Bajaj Avenger. जब हम आगे रुकेंगे तभी मैं आपको सारी बाइक्स दिखाऊंगा. Don't worry. ये पर्टिकुलर रास्ता तो आपको याद रहेगा लास्ट टाइम की वीडियो में. देखी नहीं अब तक? इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखना आफ्टर फिनिशिंग दिस वीडियो दो. Soon that semi-cemented road turned into a proper off-road session. Before you ask me in the comment section, like you all always do, can you take your car over there? Well, I would recommend you not to do so if you have anything lower than a mid-sized SUV. That car, the Desire in front of us, soon parked on the side of the road and could not make it any further. So yeah, don't trouble yourself and the car which you have. Thank you. Get a bike or you can walk the whole track. While following my friends, I realized one thing. It's better to keep some gas while doing off-roading because you can then choose your own line and you can see the path ahead also. Plus, gaps like this where you need some kind of a momentum. You can wait for some time and yeah. And if things do go south for anyone, maybe you or the person in front of you, you can आराम से help each other out without crashing into one another. चल चल. He's first time off road. चल. तो ये हमें मिला यहाँ का फर्स्ट वाटर क्रॉसिंग और आई थिंक मेरे लाइफ का भी फर्स्ट वाटर क्रॉसिंग ऑन माई हिमालयन. And yes, all the bikes made it through. It was quite easy. उसके बाद it was again an off-road trail which was honestly very fun as I was riding solo and I was completely enjoying it. Also, you might be wondering that this is a very remote place और यहाँ पे कोई नहीं आएगा. Well, even I was under that impression at first. बट यहाँ पे वीकेंड्स पे आके देखना यहाँ पे कितनी गर्दी रहती है वो। एंड जैसे आप अभी देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे लोग एक्टिवा या फिर नॉर्मल स्कूटर्स भी लेके आते हैं, सो यू कैन डू इट ऑन एनी पर्टिकुलर टू व्हीलर, नो प्रॉब्लम। यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव द राइट स्किल्स। Also, I think it's about 15 kilometers of off-road. So yeah, you can consider that factor as well. ये और एक छोटू सा puddle. For someone who likes even a bit of off-road, this track is really very fun. I think बारिश के सीज़न में यहाँ पे और एक major water crossing रहता है. I'm not quite sure though. और ये है हमारा लास्ट वाटर क्रॉसिंग बिफोर वी रीच द डेस्टिनेशन, दैट इज़ द टेम्पल एंड इट्स पॉन्ड विच इज़ आवर मेन अट्रैक्शन अभी के लिए। So yeah, made it. This is the spot. Close up बाद में आपको दिखाऊंगा and why we are here. And it seems to be pretty crowded. Let's see. So we parked our bikes on the sides and we went to the temple. Surprisingly very crowded and इधर वो lake thing है. After that we visited this pond which is next to the temple, which has nice fishes in them and they come closer to you as you feed them puffed rice, which you can buy from the local ladies who sit over here near the temple.
One eternity later.
Be sure to carry back your trash. You can definitely take them back when they are empty. So yeah, right now we are heading back to the waterfall जिस पे मैंने previously video बनाया है, but these guys have not been there before, तो हम लोग वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. अभी first water crossing हुआ, I did not record it, तो कोई बात नहीं, I'll record it now. I'll record the next one. तो अभी के लिए बस ऐसा ही है पूरा ऑफ रोड ट्रेल. मिलता है जब कुछ एक्साइटिंग होता है तभी. ओह यस, मेड इट टू द टेम्पल विदाउट ड्रॉपिंग द बाइक एंड अभी सिर्फ वापस मेन रोड तक पहुंचना है. उसके बाद मिशन सक्सेसफुल. बने रहिए टू सी इफ आई डिड इट without dropping the bike or did I drop it. So that behind there was the checkpost and the border. So the same water cross, here we go again. off-road is done, that part, and now it's this pavement road. We're just taking a small break, and this is the lineup. My bike, obviously, Avenger, I think 200, Classic 350, and Splendor, and another Classic 350. Also, the TVS Apache RTR 180. So yeah, in case you haven't figured it out already, your boy did it. Please applaud, everyone, clap.
Well done. तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए.
I did not drop the bike even once this time around, and I'm so very happy because this time we covered more ground while off-roading than last time, and yet it was a mission success. So now, as I said earlier, we are heading towards the waterfall, which I had shown you last time, but chalo is season में भी देख लेते हैं, and yeah, stick around. So here we are in the parking area. See you while trekking. Oh, this looks quite different than what I had seen earlier. I'll put some pictures up here so that you can compare. यहाँ से दिखने में उतना स्टीप नहीं दिखता, लेकिन ये बहुत स्टीप है. एंड इफ़ यू रिमेंबर लास्ट टाइम इधर पूरा ग्रीनरी था. नाउ इट इज़ लाइक दिस. आई थिंक दे आर प्लांटिंग कोकोनट कैजू ट्रीज. So yeah. वाटरफॉल का फ्लो भी बहुत ही कम लग रहा है. लेट्स सी. एंड देयर आर पीपल. ओह ग्रेट. People can bring stuff, but they can't take it back. Perfect. So after admiring the view for some time, we decided to head out, and obviously we did carry back our trash and also tried to take a few bottles which were lying around. So yeah, if you're visiting places like these, please try to keep them clean. At least take back what you are getting there, what is not natural over there. Just take it back. It would mean a lot to everyone. One last good look at this place. I think it would look different next time around when I'm over here. So yeah, let's head back to our motorcycles. Also, I don't think I'll be able to record anything while riding back as my GoPro batteries have drained out. So I'll see you directly when we stop somewhere, or maybe at home.
One eternity later.
Okay, so finally the trip comes to an end. हम लोग आते समय वालपोई रुके थे. We had what was the cafe? हाँ, कैफ़े अश्विनी. Yes, कैफ़े अश्विनी. तो हमने वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा पाव भाजी एंड बंस और टी कॉफ़ी वो सब ली. एंड मैंने कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत गर्दी थी. प्लस it was, you know, we were tired, we were hungry, so we first ate there. And आते समय तो GoPro की battery was dead, so and it was pitch dark, so couldn't record anything. तो right now मैं घर पे हूँ and the time is around 9:30. और yeah, the trip comes to an end. It was a good one. आपको अच्छा लगा तो ज़रूर शेयर करना, लाइक करना, कमेंट करना. एंड मिलते हैं किसी और एक ऐसे ही वीडियो में. Until then, take care and peace.
Bonus!
No, seriously though, if you like this video, comment in the comment section. Let me know which part you liked. Interact with me, ask me questions. I love to answer your questions. I love to talk with you all in the comment section. And yeah, it takes a lot to make these videos. Consider even this one video where I left in the morning early at about 7 and came back home at 9 p.m. Then I'm sitting here editing this video, and it has taken me a good 2 days to edit this video. So yeah, it takes an effort to get them out, to get these videos out. So I would love and appreciate if you consider subscribing, if you haven't already, sharing them with your friends and whoever is interested in this kind of content. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. You know, when the videos drop, it's 3 p.m. on Sundays and or Wednesdays. So yeah, bye bye, take care, and see you in the next one.